Hello my beautiful friends, it's Julia here from Made by the Chef, and today I thought I'd talk about holiday, or rather that holiday feeling. Now look, we all know the sun is shining right now, and for some of us what happens is that actually when the summer days kick in, our mind starts to wander to holidays that we might want to have. Or actually maybe when it's in the winter time and it's cold, our mind also wanders to those sunnier days. And right now we're in a situation where, of course, we're at home. We can't actually fly necessarily, and eventually, that will change, and we know that. So what do we do with ourselves? Some of us cope much better in a situation where we're under a little bit of pressure, maybe, or maybe it's a situation that's been forced onto us that we hadn't actually planned for. And some of us maybe don't cope so well. And when it comes to holidays, sometimes when we think of a holiday, or we think of those days spent whiling away the hours by the beach, or maybe it's a holiday somewhere really rural that you like. Maybe it's a holiday in nature, or actually it's skiing. Whatever it is, whether it's a day with sunshine or wind or rain, whatever it takes your fancy, when we can't have something, we actually seem to want it more, right? Or when we are put under pressure and told we can't do something, then maybe we don't feel so good about ourselves. But actually, it's really all a state of mind. It's really all how you decide to look at something, to see something. Now I've got my non-alcoholic cocktail here because I don't drink. But actually what I'm doing is I'm sitting out in the garden, and I'm very grateful that I have a garden. But I'm admiring the sunshine, admiring my garden, sipping on my little fake cocktail, as you could call it, and just enjoying the moment, because that is a holiday in itself. So really, when you change your perspective about what you think a holiday should be, and a lot of that is conditioning, or it's things that we're fed. When people have said it should be like this, or a holiday should be this, or you should be getting on a plane, or you should be going here. But there is no should. There isn't. A holiday is really what you want to make it. Taking a few hours away from your work, taking a day off, can be a holiday. You can make that a holiday. Make yourself a cocktail. Put on your swimming costume if that's going to make you feel better. Put on some scenery on the TV or on your computer, on your laptop, of days spent wherever it is that you love going, whether that's France or Greece or Spain or Australia, whatever it is. Create the holiday feeling. Create that feeling for yourself at home. So many times we delay feeling good about ourselves, about our environment, about life in general. We delay that because we think that, well, I have to have this in order to really truthfully enjoy myself, or my holiday, it has to be this in order for me to actually consider it to be a holiday. But it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to think like that. We are in control of ourselves. We are in control of our own minds, and we are in control of how we decide to react to a situation or decide to see a situation. So if you can't go abroad right now, and maybe that is your idea of a holiday, do you know what? That's okay. Doesn't matter, because eventually you might get to go abroad, and you will, because this is only temporary. But what you want to do is, you want to just keep that holiday feeling inside your heart, because it's always there. And you can make that holiday feeling happen just by believing and understanding yourself. And once you do those things, I know I talked about happiness last week, once you actually realise that contentment, happiness, love, it's all within yourself, and it's important to actually feel that inside you and in your mind, and understand that we don't need to have things or situations in order to actually really truthfully feel those beautiful emotions of happiness, of love, of joy, of laughter, because we can do that. So I've got my little cocktail here because I'm feeling really happy, because I am happy, I'm smiling, and you can too. Have a wicked day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.